Hey, good afternoon. How you doing? Quick question for you. The other day I stopped by.
Excuse me, sir. There's people that have been waiting. If you would like assistance, I need your first name, date of birth, social security number, and please prick your finger on here.
I'm sorry, you said prick your finger?
Yes, don't worry. Everything's been sterilized, including myself.
What?
Imprint right here, please.
Wow. Okay. Gotcha.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's for better assistance. Sir, excuse me. Your ticket.
I gotta take it after I prick my finger too?
I understand it's frustrating. Please take it. Mario? 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 Going once. Going twice.
Yeah, I'm here. You saw me sign.
Welcome to B-Mobile, sir. How can we assist you?
My
1 second, please. My full attention is on you now, sir. How can I help you?
Okay, so the other day I was on my phone and out of nowhere just it locked.
Did you try turning it off and on?
That's the first thing I did.
You did. Can I please touch your phone? Just doing some diagnostics.
Okay, alright.
Seems like we resolved your situation here. Now, by pressing this button here,
Okay.
I will have your phone back to its original content that you were last watching.
Oh, no,
Just
you
by pressing this button.
No, you
now.
don't. Oh, put it in there.
Oh.
What? That's not my point. Did you switch phones?
Sir.
You must have rebooted to somebody else's when you were doing the jazzy finger thing. That's not. That was. What was that? That came from your laptop? That was my my brother had my phone the other day. He's single. That was.
Oh, it's still playing.
Yeah, can I see it for a second? Can I just get it? It's not even my phone. It's my stupid brother. My kid's going through I'm okay. I don't need.
Okay, have a good day.
You too.